Welcome to Akshara Max Academy. Today we are going to learn case study for the chapter number 6, triangles. This is for the grade 10. For the grade 10, for all the chapters, case study is posted in this website, in this YouTube channel. If you want, you can make use of it. The link is given in the description. So shall we go for the today's case study? What is the today's case study? There was a ball tower near Ramu's house. The ball on the top of the tower is tied with the rope, and the other end of the rope is tied in a point C on the ground for easy use. Now answer the following questions. So it is a ball tower. It is tied. One end of the rope is tied at a point A. Another one end is at the point C in a ground. So this is a rope, sir. This think that is a rope. So here they are given the measurements. AB they are given measurement as 80 feet. Then this measurement between O and C, the measurement is given as 20 feet, and between C and O the measurement they are given as 15 feet. So O and P is also as 15 feet because it is a rectangle. So opposite sides are equal. If this 20 feet, this also will be a 20 feet. If this is 15, this also will be a 15. So shall we go for the questions? First question is, in the given figure, the length of the rope AC, if the distance between the point C and the foot of the tower is 60 feet. Find the length of the rope AC. They told to find out the length of the rope AC, and if the distance between the point C and the foot of the tower, this is the tower, sir. So what they told it is as 60 feet. They told this as a 60 feet. So they told to find out the AC value. So what the second question is? What is the area of triangle ABC? What is the area of a triangle ABC? Second question. Third question. What is the length of PC? What is the length of PC? What is the length of the hypotenuse of a triangle ABC? They are given 4 options. Fifth question. What is the area of a triangle AOC? This is you only want to find out. What is the area of a triangle AOC? That you want to find out. Okay. So we will go for the first question. So this is the thing is given. It is very easy, sir. So we will go for the questions. In the given figure, the length of the rope AC, you want to find out. If the distance between the point C, and the foot of the tower means this point, that point is B, is 60 feet. They are telling us between B and C is 60 feet. So option A, 4 option is given. So it is a right angle triangle. The tower will always be a perpendicular. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem because it is a right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. So hypotenuse, what is hypotenuse here? So that only you want to find out. So that is AC the whole square, which is equal to opposite any one side you can take it. One is 60 the whole square, one more is 80 the whole square. So 60 the whole square. 60 how much? 6 are 36. So 3600 plus 80 square. 80 square is 8 8 is 64. So 6400. So it will become, so add what you are going to get. 36 plus 64. 36 plus 64. So 10. So it will become what? So it will become 10,000. So it will become a 10,000. So if you this is already these are AC square value. These are the AC square value. AC square is given. So if you want to find out the AC value, it will be under the root of 10,000. So we have 4 zeros that we can take 2 0. 1 we can take it as it. So AC value is 100 feet. So AC of this rope length is 100 feet. We have find it out. So check the option. So option B is correct. So we will go for the second question. What is the second question? What is the area of a triangle ABC? So area of a triangle ABC. They ask us, sir, it is a right angle triangle. So we can go for area of a triangle. Right angle triangle. So we can use the formula half into base into height square units. So half into what the base value? Base is they are given as 60. Base they are given as 60, height they are given as 80. So 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8 0. So 6 4s are 24. That 2 0 we can add. So 2400 feet square. So 2400 feet square. Yes, option A is correct. So third one, what is the length of PC? What is the length of PC? You check the diagram. What is the length of PC? PC means this portion. This is hypotenuse. So this is also acting as a right angle triangle. So this is also a right angle. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem. We know that this is a rectangle. So opposite sides are equal. So this 15 means this also will become 15. This is 20 means this also will become 20. So we know that base and height. So we can go for the Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? It is a right angle triangle. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem we can use it. So it is a right angle triangle. So what we can get? PC square. So PC the whole square is equal to OP the whole square plus OC the whole square. So PC square only want to find out. OP value is 15 the whole square plus 20 the whole square. So 15 square is 225. 20 square is 400. So it will become 625. This is nothing but PC square. You want to find out the value of PC. So under the root of 625. So PC value is equal to 25 feet. 25 feet. So check it where that option. So option C is correct. Fourth question. What is the length of the hypotenuse of triangle ABC? If we go for the triangle ABC, the hypotenuse is AC. So already that we have find it out. So that is 100 feet. So option A is correct. So what is the triangle? What is the area of a triangle? POC. What is the area of a triangle? POC. POC. Already we know that POC is a right angle triangle. POC is a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. So we can use it area of a triangle formula. So area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height square units. So half into, which is called as base. This is called as base. So that is 20. 20 into height is 15. So this can be cancelled by 10 times. So second table. So 10 into 15 is 150. So 150 feet square. So check the option. So option D is correct. I think you like this video. If you like this video, share to your friends and don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.